Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
You're looking for a wide throw hinge, and you said from the edge of the hinge to about the knuckles, about 2.5 inch.
Yeah.
Okay. So
what he's done, let me just explain. What he's drawn is basically a 2.5 inch rabbet, but only a 1 1/4 inch door. I don't know why. You see what I'm saying?
What's the point?
So the
well,
face,
okay. So what? So the hinge is deeply. The door is inset, is what you're saying.
About 1 1/4 inch inset. Yep.
Okay, that's no problem.
Okay, so what I'm looking at is this thing called the Parliament hinge.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I think that would fly. So my question is, when is it 2.5 inches tall, and then 4 inches across when it's open? There's no dimensions on it.
Right. So, what size is the door?
The door is only 1 1/4 inches thick.
But what's the width and the height?
It's about 18 inches wide and about 3 feet tall. It's a window It's a window. Yeah.
Sure. Okay.
So this one I'm looking.
A Parliament hinge is great for that, and that's really what they're used for. Construction that goes back well into the 19th century is where you'll see Parliament hinges. Shutters. There is a historical lighthouse here in Florida. There's probably all over the place, but when you tour it, it's all Parliament hinges. When they, batten the shutters, that sort of scenario.
Right.
So the Parliament hinge is going to be called out when the hinge is laid open. So you really need a Parliament hinge that's going to be huge.
Okay. So let's call if the rabbet is 2.5, and excuse me, and the door is 1 1/4, and then it's also it's got the Q-lawn in there because it's for a wine room. So that is like a 1 5/8 altogether door plus Q-lawn. So that leaves the inset is only 7/8 of an inch. So I'm thinking these 4 by 2.5 will work if the height is 2.5 and it is 4 as it's splayed open.
That's precisely correct. These Parliament hinges are opposite how standard hinges roll in terms of the height being the first dimension. Now there is also one that's 4 5/8 wide and 2.5 tall.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Okay. All right. And a Parliament hinge in the oil rub bronze?
Yeah, I'm sure oil rub's not a problem. 10B, let's look. No, it actually might be a problem. Let's see. No, it's there. Yeah.
4.5. Here it is. Yeah. Well, I'm not seeing a. Okay, you have it in oil rub?
There is. Yeah. May I give you the part number?
Yeah. I mean, what page is it on your website?
Well, it depends on what you're searching.
Well, there's three Parliament hinge pages.
But that depends on what your search term was. What did you search? Just the word Parliament?
Okay.
Oh, okay. So if you searched only the word Parliament, then I would go on page 1. And, well, hold on. Let's look.
And I see 4 5/8, 2.5, but I don't see oil rub.
Yeah, so it's
there. It is. There it is. Okay. Oh, it says discontinued. Okay.
Yeah, I see that there, but none of the others are discontinued. So I'm pulling up why it says that, and let's see. Let me check the book. So there's a formula for talking about wide throw. If you want to get nerdy, we can talk about the formula of how that's determined.
I think this will do the trick,
you know,
Richard. The 4.5. So am I right in assuming that if you open this hinge up, it'll open up to 9.25 inches?
No, sir.
No.
It'll open up to 4.5 or 4 5/8, whichever one you're looking at.
So the 4 5/8. So that's basically only 2 5/16. Yeah. And I need, let me see if that'll work. Because I need, 2 5/16. I got 2 1/8, so that'll work.
Yeah, because you're going to have a back set, that, and then you're going to have take up a little bit.
And then the queue line. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So here's the bad news. I only need 2.
Well, that's okay. Let's see what they do in terms of.
I'm looking at the lead times here, and it's.
Yeah. So Cal Royal's going to kill us in terms of a small order. I happen to have 4 each in stock in antique brass that I can ship from my warehouse.
Oh, let's just do that. I'll just spray paint it matte black.
Okay. Because those can boogie out here like today or tomorrow.
Yeah, let's just do that. I'll spray paint it. No big whoop.
Okay. So you're at babcab.com?
Yeah. Or
okay.
If you have any that are just primed, in the same configuration but primed.
Only US 5. I don't know why I have those here, but they're here for some reason.
Okay. I'll take 2.
Okay.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program.